What's up, y'all, and welcome to the backwoods here in Germany, where we have just spent an entire morning and some afternoon bombing it through the back roads and getting after it to put our new GT Competizione 380mm brake kit to the test. And I'm glad to report nothing but spectacular results. This brake kit is a true upgrade to the teeny tiny brakes that come on the Alfa Romeo Giulia and Stelvio 2.0. If you know anything about the Giulia and Stelvio 2.0, and as well as the Quadrifoglio models, one of the biggest complaints, one of the biggest gripes is that those cars are massively under-braked. The brake feel and modulation is great, exactly what you would expect from a sports car of this caliber, with this pedigree and racing heritage, with this Alfa Romeo badge on it. This is how the car should have come. Being able to brake like this. This is that true motorsports inspired feeling right here. This is where it's at. I love it. I love it.